Let's bring this out a little bit. Screwdriver. Yeah, what we're gonna do is try to close as possible. It's pretty thin metal anyway, so I'm gonna try to keep the shape if I can. Just a little bit. So I can get, because right now it's a lot of gap in here. I want to get as close as I can. Okay, let's see if I can loosen that and push it back in there some more. Where's the hammer when you need one? Okay. See, now I went in a little bit more. That's what we want. So we remarked that. See, now it's much tighter. Yeah, it's much tighter. So we'll remark that. We'll do down here, same thing. It's tight, so it won't move no more. Okay. That's much better. It's much tighter. It's not that far away. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. Bring it down so that'll be fine too. Right on top of the lip. So let's remark this. Going down from back is okay. So we have to remark it because we knocked it down some now. Let me find out where's that mark at. There. Okay. So okay there. And then we got this piece here, and we're gonna add on to it. We got the little corner we're gonna put here. So it's got the little gap in there. You just have to fix that. Let's see, as you see, it got a little curve to it. And that's gonna be kind of weird. But back there, same thing. Now let's see how it like that. So that'd be closer that way instead of the other way. So that's a little curve to it, which I don't know how to do that. Cause the other side down there is already flattened. I don't know why it's like that. So I don't know. So I'm gonna try my best to fix it best I can. And I know it has a little curve to it coming from the door itself, but I don't know. Make it right as I can.